Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2010 Chevy Avalanche. Stock number is 18C626A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. A look down the passenger side. You have 20-inch chrome wheels wrapped with Bridgestone dueler tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch, rear backup sensors, and a camera on the back. Taking a look at the bed. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, both your passenger and driver seats are heated and cooled seats, and the driver's side has 2-point memory controls. 4-wheel drive, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls mounted here. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo and navigation. Dual climate controls are here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Avalanche on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.